Hi all, I'm Guru here. I'm back to you people guys. Today can we discuss on the interview point of view? Okay, and your interview will be with your work experience. Okay, see, interviewer intention is different. Like interviewer way of thinking is different. If anybody there come up with a 3 years of experience, his expectation is different. About, yeah, and interviewer who is having 9 years of experience, the think of the interviewer is different. And interviewer with 4 years of experience, the interviewer expectation is different. See, interviewer expectations are different from different kind of experience. Think about it. For example, if anybody they come for an interview and they worked with around 3 companies, or they have around 6 years of experience. Just to imagine 6 years of experience. What I'm looking out for from him here, I don't know which project he has done, where he has done, what is his last organization. Just I'm looking out from his profile. Just I'm asking him, okay, can you brief about you? First question it is, can you brief about him? Means I wanted to ask him, can you explain about you? And he will start explaining me. During that explanation, parallelly I would like to concentrate on him, and parallelly I would like to see the points which I want from the profile, which I wanted to discuss with him. Okay, so just I got a curiosity on, so how this person has interacted with the customer. Okay, what are the different types of testing he has done, and what how this person has been interacting with the customer. These are the two things I observed. Just I was asking him the question, and look at the way he is responding me back. Question also I will ask, respond also I will give behalf of the person who came for an interview. Think that I'm a guru. I have been around 6 years experience. I went for an interview, and what are the questions I'm expecting from him. So interviewer will ask them from the basic, to high level. Okay. Initially, I would like to ask him, okay, how frequently you will get the build? What he need to answer? How frequently he will get the build for a testing? And once you get the build, right, what is your process? What do you want to do? So he should hit me back in such a way that, yes, sir, we used to get the build as per our defect. If we raise more defects in the iteration, we may get the build late because defect fixing is more. Okay. That frequency will be decided by our manager and the development manager when they wanted to release the build. Our aim is to identify the defect, find the defect, report it back. So as per my understanding, if we raise a more defect, every week we are getting the release from the development team to the QA team. If we raise more defect, right, development people will take some time to fix the defect and make the build. We may get the build late. It depending on how many defects we have raised, how people are fixing the defect, how speed the people are fixing the defect. Okay. So imagine that you got a build, okay, you got a build and you started executing, or you just started doing the smoke testing, okay. So during the smoke testing, whole build got failed. What you will do? What is the situations? What situations? How you are going to handle that? Sir, we call it as suspending the testing activities whenever we got a build, right? If build got failed in our QA server, we don't know about the development server. In the QA server, build got failed. Now I'm getting server error. I could not able to access the build. Definitely, I would like to reply the email stating that, okay, the smoke test got failed. So we are suspending the testing activities. We are requesting for the new build from the development team. Okay. Okay. So you tell me, when do you want close the testing activities? Means, so when you wanted to close out the testing activities which you are doing, sir, whenever the 90% defect got closed in the product which we are testing, and there are minimal defect which we knows, even though that defect which we knows, we wanted to put them in the release notes, though severity level is less, we wanted to release that product to the production. Then we are going to close the testing activities by doing the closure activities report. Okay, can you tell me what is the closure activities report? What do you wanted to do in that one in that report, guys? Sir, closure activities, my manager will take an input from us, like till now, how many iterations we have executed the test cases, and till now, how many defects have been identified, closed, is there any defect have been reopened, and if it is reopened, what is the severity level, and if it is closed, have we written any good comments on the close? Every information, each module we would like to give. Then our test lead or a team manager will prepare the release notes. We call it as a closure activities of the project. We would like to send that closure activities report to the customer to show them the evidences. So these many iterations we have done. This is the status of the defect. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me if any customer or your project manager forced you to do the speed of work more, where the customer is expecting lot many things from you people, where you could not able to satisfy them? Sir, our manager and we hold the team, we would like to discuss whenever the new requirements comes to us to the existing project, and we would like to discuss in our team with our manager, so how much time we may take, and we would like to do the impact analysis. Okay, our manager used to identify the risk. What are the risks may come into the picture? We wanted to post that risk to the customer, and we wanted to tell them these are the timelines we need, including everything should be perfect. Online build release should happen. There is no server down should happen. And everything we would like to analyze, and we would like to send some rough estimation to the customer to get an approval. Okay. Okay, if can have you faced any situations where requirement is getting changed frequently, where you could not able to handle such situations? So requirements used to get changed, as you know, but we are maintaining the systematic traceability matrix. We used to trace the requirement, and through that requirement, through that traceability matrix, we would like to identify what are the test cases we need to remove, what are the test cases we need to add some more. There is a deletion, updation of the test cases will be there according to the new enhancements come to us. Okay. Can you tell me how did you come to know that a requirement got changed and you need to update the test cases? Sir, whenever the business analyst used to update us, okay, these are the requirements got changed, we will get an email stating that, okay, these are the requirements got changed. Please, guys, go ahead and update your test cases with your changes in the module. Then immediately we will catch hold of our test scenario, test cases, and RTM. We would like to update it as per the new requirements. Okay. So can you tell me, is there any severity defect which you have leaked out to the production where it is stopping their business? No, sir, we were not expecting such things. I have not come across with such kind of situations in my past experience. Okay. Guys, such things you will learn unless and until you do the project. You need a good guidance to clear the interview, and you need a very good hands-on experience. Again, I would like to suggest you better work with me, guys. I would like to help you out, and I would like to support you to clear the interview also. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. So for spending your valuable time to look out my videos, and I'm very thankful to you. Thank you. See you again in my next video. Thank you.